Hey, hope you're doing great. So this is Mijan here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up TikTok pixel with your website. So if you are running TikTok ads, then TikTok pixel is crucial for you. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to know how to create the TikTok pixel. If you know it, then that's great. If you don't know, then you can visit my YouTube channel. And here I already published a video. You can see here about how to create TikTok picture. So you can just watch this one. Now we need to set up the TikTok picture. To set up this one, we will use the Google Tag Manager. If you want, then you can use the code in your website backend. So in my case, I'm going to use the GTM to set up the picture. First thing is we have to go to the TikTok Ad Manager here. And from here, we need to go to the Event Manager. So you can see here tools, and from here you need to go event manager. Here you can see, if I just click here you can see data sources. Here you will be able to see your pixels. Like here can have multiple pixels. In my case, here is only one pixel. So if you want, then you can use this pixel ID. I just copy this one and go to Google Tag Manager, add here TikTok ad stack, and paste this code, but I'm going to show you in different way. So for this, go to home. Here you can see continue setup, and here is the data set. This is my data set. Okay, so continue setup, and here in the first option you can see here copy base code. Just click here and it will be copied. So I have just copied this one, Google Tag Manager, and you can see here tags. From tags, click on new, then it will be custom HTML. Just copy this one, paste the code here, and the trigger will be all pages, and then save. Now if I preview the GTM and go to the tag assistant, you can see the TikTok preview tag is fired. And if I show you here, you can see landing page view and page view event is fired. I just set up the TikTok pixel, and after that the events are going. Here you can see my pixel name. So this tool name is TikTok Pixel Helper. It's a Chrome extension. With the help of this tool, we can easily see what kind of events are going to TikTok. Awesome. So if you have any questions or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. Or if you need any help, feel free to DM. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.